My morning skincare routine would not be complete without this Mad Hippie vitamin C serum. I love this. It brightens and smooths your skin. It's a serum. It comes in a glass bottle, which is awesome. Usually just 1 drop, sometimes 2. Now let's do 2 today. And then I just mix it around in the palm of my hand and apply it to my face. It's smooth and silky. The smell is a little bit citrusy. It's a very muted smell, so it's not overpowering. I love Mad Hippie and all their products. It's hard to choose a favorite, but I use this in the mornings after I cleanse and use the toning mist, and I let it dry for a couple minutes. Don't forget your neck and your chest if you want to. But I love all the Mad Hippie products. Like I said, I use this in the mornings, and I do use it interchangeably. So I use it every other morning and I do the corrective peptide serum, which I'll talk about another time. But vitamin C serum, I definitely think that this has been a game changer for my skin. I do feel like it looks brighter. I often don't wear makeup, and I think that I can thank this for that. So check out the link below for the TikTok shop. They're having a flash sale. Definitely check out this and all the other Mad Hippie products. You won't be sorry.